Today's topic is for any Christian out there who wants to start making disciples. After all, Jesus said in Matthew 28, "Therefore go make disciples of all the nations." The problem is most people don't know how. So I want you to look at this image because we're going to spend a lot of time in this as we train you on how to make disciples with pursuegod.org. There are 3 steps to actually making disciples using our resources, and it's something that anyone can do. The first step is pretty simple. Look at that image to the left. Just invite them. Now, what you're going to do is invite them into a meaningful conversation. That's what our resources, that's what our system, that's what our method is all about. Just having a conversation. So if you check out our website, you'll notice it's filled with topics that you can have conversations on. Now, everything on pursuegod.org has a biblical basis behind it. But remember, disciple making isn't just about a Bible study. It's not just about teaching someone the Bible, although that's a big part of it. It's also about helping them to understand how to live life the way Jesus would want them to. So once you've invited someone into a conversation, you invest in them one topic at a time. Now, we use what we call the flex method. First, find a topic, then learn about it by watching the short video and reading the article and taking a look at the discussion questions. And finally, explore it through conversation in a group or one-on-one. You can even disciple your kids this way. We call it topic at a time disciple making, and it's what our resources are all about. We've already talked about pursuegod.org, and you'll also want to check out pursuegodkids.org. But there's another site you'll want to look at. It's called flextalk.org, and this is a bridge site that gives you value-based conversations for people who aren't quite ready to talk about the Bible yet. So check those out. Here's the third thing. Once you've invited and invested, then you're ready to empower people to go do the same thing. Remember, take a look at that image to the left. It's really as simple as that. Inviting, investing, and then empowering the people that you disciple to eventually do the same thing and disciple someone else. This is what Jesus had in mind, that you would disciple a couple of people, and you would show them how to disciple a couple of people, and using the same tools and the same method, everyone eventually becomes a disciple maker. This is what Jesus had in mind. Disciples who would make disciples, who would make disciples until everyone has a chance to pursue God. The Apostle Paul described this to Timothy in 2 Timothy chapter 2. He said, "You have heard me teach things that have been confirmed by many reliable witnesses. Now teach these truths to other trustworthy people who will be able to pass them on to others." Notice the generational impact of true, reproducible disciple making. And that's why we've built our system. So if you want to fulfill the Great Commission and start actually making disciples, invite, invest, and empower. Use our tools to do it, and you can change the world.